dahil kinailangan natin siya dito sa matinding pinakita ng Indonesia. Another 3. Nakita mo kung hindi tumama yung mga free throws natin, mahahagip ka. Hirap kalaban.
With only 3 seconds remaining in this game, para sa Indonesia, this is already a victory in itself para sa kanila just to come within this close of the Philippines. Rosario looking to put on the finishing touches here, pero para sa ating Gilas Cadets, within the last 2 days, mula kagabi sa semifinals hanggang ngayon sa gold medal game, so much growing up, so much maturity ang nagawa nila with the experience.
And I believe that they will get better. This is a physical baptism of fire for our Gilas Cadets. They came here with a mission, and the mission is to bring home the gold. And nagawa nila yon. Challenge probably was difficult for them, but eventually the Gilas Cadets prevailed, and that is the object of the game, to bring home the gold, beat all the opponents, at yan ay nagawa ng ating mga bayaning Gilas Cadets.
72-64 is your final score. Ang gintong medalya sa larangan ng basketball sa Southeast Asia iuuwi na naman ng Pilipinas. For the 17th time,
Correct.
in the last 18 times na nagkaroon ng
Yes.
basketball sa SEA Games, Pilipinas ang mag-ahari.
Tatlong gintong medalya para kay Keeper Arena, unang ginto para kay Labas Ramel, Troy Rosario, Cathy Thompson, at kay Coach Tab Valdez. Isang magandang alaala ang kanyang maiuwi sa Siaba at dito sa Southeast Asia.
Hindi pa po tayo tapos dito sa TV5. We gotta take the short break.